Are you planning to build or expand your production facility? Great! Bilfinger is the professional partner that engineers and fabricates your entire facility, assemblies, and even maintains it. But what exactly does that mean, the entire facility? And what actually happens in the various stages of production? These are the questions we will answer in the next 4 minutes and show you an ideal production line. One very important component of pharmaceutical production is water. Without water, nothing happens. But in order for it to be used for the manufacturing of drugs, it needs to be much cleaner than drinking water. So, it is purified in several steps. The now pure water then ends up in a storage and distribution system, where it is constantly pumped around in a so-called loop. For certain applications, for example for injection purposes, the water is, however, still not pure enough. It is therefore distilled to become water for injections. Now the production of the drug can begin. In a media preparation system, the nutrient solution is prepared from WFI and other substances. In this way, growth conditions for the cultures can be optimally adjusted. Then the cultures are allowed to grow and flourish. To perform at their best, they must have ideal conditions. The most important things are optimum pH and plenty of oxygen. If the cultures get too many for the first bioreactor, they are moved into a larger one, and then into an even larger one. Unfortunately, the culture's wonderful life is over soon. This is because, at the height of their growth, they are harvested so that the drug can be recovered from them. This happens in several elaborate process steps. But it's well worth the effort. The proof is the pure drug. As medicine rarely consists only of the pure drug, it is now, for example, rediluted with saline solution. Now we have the finished pharmaceutical that may be administered to a patient. As a precaution, this mixture is purified again through a sterile filter and then stored in vessels where it waits for filling. Bilfinger will ensure that the production system can be seamlessly connected to your filling process, so you can decant the drug directly into syringes, vials, bags, or any other containers. All along the line up to this point, we have left behind a certain amount of pollution. This, of course, cannot remain in the facility. Therefore, the facility is first cleaned with a zip procedure, then sterilized with steam, and finally dried with air. The wastewater is collected and, optionally, chemically neutralized or thermally disinfected so that it can be passed into the municipal wastewater. Any liquids that are required for cleaning and during production are stored in vessels and distributed from there to the production and ancillary facilities. One thing we have not as yet looked at, and unfortunately this is also true in many aspects of life, the process piping of such a system is at least as important as the individual processing facilities. And a complete production such as this has many pipes. Many pipes. Bilfinger perfectly coordinates these too, together with the other components of the plant. So you see, Bilfinger offers everything from one source, from engineering over commissioning to qualification and subsequent maintenance. The Bilfinger project managers accompany you during the entire project and ensure that even complex facilities are completed on schedule, in your budget, and with the best possible quality. If you're looking for a reliable partner for your production, now you know who to contact.
Bilfinger.